Independence Day 3. They came from the stars, and Earth answered. We thought the war was over. The signal isn't a distress call. It's a warning. This isn't an invasion force. It's an extinction event. They learned from us. They evolved. Last time, we fought to survive. This time, we fight to end it. This fight is no longer about one nation. This is the fight for the future of our species. You were spared. Now you will be erased. This summer, humanity makes its last stand. If today is our end, let it be our independence. This time, it's forever. For 30 years, Earth is prepared for their return. The signal is coming from beyond our galaxy. This isn't revenge, it's conflict. All global defenses stand by. This is not a drill. They watch, they adapt, and now they're coming to finish what